This video is a quick overview of all the main sections found on your Vision dashboard. It will explain which each icons mean and help you get a better understanding of the system's basic navigation. Starting with search tools, this top magnifying glass icon is called a super search. It is a way to search for many different data items, including the subscriber's name, address, invoice, hardware IDs, and more. This search is always available at the top and is adjustable to your user to help you to dive into finding the data you need to access. The dashboard search bar is a basic search for subscriber name, ID, or address. For users talking to subscribers, it is a quick search return. The dashboard is a key area for information. It records open and past due tickets and tasks in the system. In addition, dashboard cards give you a quick insight on various data reports. These upfront visual displays of data are created by your company through the reporting tools in Vision. These graphs and charts are live polls of the database. The cards are clickable to display the data details and help to communicate to teams the work of service orders, subscriber management, sales, and financials. Next up is the assigned tickets, tasks, and events. These can be assigned to individuals and groups of people. This can be found in the upper bar of the system at all times or on the dashboard display. Tickets are a way to track and document subscriber interactions. Tasks are a part of your company's overall workflow process to help keep the flow of your work for your team moving throughout the day. Tickets and tasks both are used to keep information in one system. Staying organized in Vision limits the need for you to look up information in other systems or the need to ask around for a document or previous work. Using tickets and tasks as the main data source leads to a more streamlined day. To learn more about tickets and tasks and all the functions they're capable of, check out the Vision Support Center. Another tool that users find helpful when navigating Vision is the subscriber history. Subscriber history is a tool to give you a quick link to the previous 10 accounts you visited. This tool is helpful when you need to jump back to a subscriber's account you were last working on, instead of searching for the subscriber again. The notification bell gives you alerts to tickets and tasks that have been made by you or another coworker. For example, any changes or additions to a ticket, you will receive a notification. This tool will be helpful when needing a quick look at what information is being sent to you while working in Vision. Another tool that is helpful is the 3-dot menu. This is an overflow menu where you will find additional tools, including quick access to the help section, the ability to view your user settings, reset homepage, and more. User settings gives you the ability to change your password, search preferences, notifications, and dashboard layout. All these changes can help with how you interact with Vision and make it work with your specific needs. The main menu is a section to get to everything Vision controls. The options available in this menu may vary based on the permissions set up for your user. It holds sections including admin utilities, inventory network, operations, subscribers, and calendars. Each section of the main menu consists of more data and tools in Vision. The floating action button is a tool that appears in several places in the system. It helps you take action on a page, including add a ticket, take a payment, or add a service to the accounts. This handy tool is how you make changes to an account in an easy and fast way. Vision is a geospatial system, simply saying everything points back to a spot on the map. The base map in Vision allows you to see various data like subscribers, tickets, tasks, service areas, and the network geospatially. Toggling those features gives you and your company oversight into where things are happening. You can map tasks to help line out a neighborhood of installations. You can see lead accounts who are interested in your services and where they land in your network. Visually, see which marketing tactics are working in a specific area compared to others, as well as where you might decide to expand your network next. Another aspect of the map is the line of sight tool. It can be used to search an address or use the drag and drop pin for wireless services to relate to tower calculations for potential interference. Using the street or satellite view can give you a look at the actual house to help when setting up a subscriber to help with the ease of installing a service to their address. The map holds an abundance of information that will be helpful to you when dealing with a network event or communicating in marketing campaigns, in addition to helping with subscriber issues. That covers the basic navigation of Vision. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to the support team or visit the support center.